Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Assistant Coach PHATYL with the Attacks Gym in Njia Huru, Street Warrior, Kipora. You already know, Njia Huru is a Swahili term which means the way of freedom. Kipora is the correct name for the arts miscalled capoeira that was coined by a guy named PHATYL in 1712. What this video is about, I'm always getting comments to do some vegan munchies here. I've been trying not to do them, but I think I'm gonna try to give the people what they want. I don't really do measurements, but for this video purposes, we're gonna learn today. So let me show you what we're gonna be working with. We got dates, we got blueberries, we got strawberries, we got hemp seeds. You already know, we buy black as often and as possible, whenever it's possible. Been going to Shades of Africa for many, many years. She got a lot of holistic stuff that I like to get. Things for your house, for decoration. And most of her stuff are black owned as well. So like, I get both for best world. Hers are some of the nutritional value of moringa seed. You know, there you go there. And this is another company I like. It's not black owned, but brother got some good stuff, quality as well. And he does only purely moringa tree products. And last but not least, we're gonna whip it out with this vegan whipped cream, and I like it. You already know what to do. Subscribe, leave a comment, check out all our other social media pages, and we're gonna get right into it on the next video. Let's shot this Shana. Let's share.